Welcome back to our channel, DiAndersons. I'm Nat. So in this video, it's a story time, or any of your story time, just a sit down and tell you what's happening. For those who have watched my video about how I landed 4 jobs here in Canada, this video is about the retail job, the last job that I got, or the last job that I was in before. No, right? I'll tell you how the people them stay at the work. Now I'll tell you. So I am one of two black persons working at the company. There's a black man and then me come as a black woman working at that company, or that location for that company. You see with the black man now, he will do anything people they ask him to do. Anything. But for me, I have a different personality, which I think might get me in trouble. Get me in trouble. If it is not stipulating in my job, I am not going to do it. And I had to have that attitude because these persons aren't nice. So when I just started the work, I'm not sure if it's racism. I don't want to say nobody's racist. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's racism. I'm not used to it. I don't know what it is. So a different feeling. So when you step into a lunchroom, I just have the older person them stepping with you or stepping back at you, they see you in it. You can feel the atmosphere. It's thick in the ear. I don't know if I'm racism, so I'm not gonna say it. I don't know. I do not know. You might talk to a person, we just starting and you just want to know everybody. You want to know everybody's role. You want to just relax. You want to learn the ropes. The person them, you might talk to them this minute. I talk to them this minute. They ask you, oh, where you from, whatever, So you ever sell Jamaica, sir. Now left me whatever it is, I open the face say, yo, Jamaica, I'm not African, because some of them things because you're a black person, you come from Africa. So me a Jamaican and I start selling island like a female and me alone one is say, yo, best place in the world, the world works. You talk to them nice, People even ask about your family and you carry your family come and all of that, and you talk to them nice. Today. This evening, 4 o'clock, work over, that's so you talk to them. And tomorrow morning, you walk in and say, good morning. Person act like they don't know you. How you feel react? Tell me how you feel react for something like that. Yo, the first time it happened to me, I said, yo, this are real? Is this serious? Them people are real? Yo, it was a sinking feeling. I'm like, me shame. It was a sinking feeling. And then I realized it's not just one person or 2 persons. A majority of them are them stay. Them talk to you now, talk up to you now, and then 2 tools, them don't know you. I'm like, yo, them people are different. Different set of people them. And next time I realize with them too. Next time I realize with these employees, I don't know if I everywhere. I can't say everywhere because other worker got persons were nice. Yes, so this is the for me, this is what I was facing at this location, this place. And there was a next young gentleman, he's a white young youth, and I said, look here, it's not grandparent, is the problem is the persons here. You have more older folks working at that place and say, yo, I don't know, might be hormones, I have no idea. Or some of them is racist. I'm pick up on who is racist. But it's not everybody, but them moody. Me say one day, when me just start work, I will tell you something, me just start work, and it entails you getting a headset and radio and whatever they want to call it. So when somebody on the floor call and I say, yo, call to him, I back at the store, because I work behind, back at the store and I say, yo, they need something from a particle location or they need a whatever. Whosoever know retail knows the asset word. You go and grab it and you call them back and say, make them know if you get it or you don't have it or whatever them is supposed to do. I was learning the ropes. I don't know about look retail, so I take my time I learn the ropes. I say, okay, this and this. For me, I don't rush into things. I don't just jump in the water, I don't know how water go, how deep it be. So me take my time and learn. So okay, this a location and all of that. So brave up myself and I take call now. Cause they keep on saying, oh you're new but you need to take calls. I'm like, okay, I'll take it when I'm ready. Right? So me take the call. Go lady ask me me take the call. Run from upstairs to show me there. Cause I say one client one customer really need it. So run from which one me there. Go downstairs. Go check if something is there. Ask them how much they want. Everybody hear me, you know? Every single body in the company in our building I hear me with the on the phone, you know? And nobody answered. I'm like, really? And I repeated it twice. Even my supervisor here, nobody answered. So you know what good girl do? Girl not answer nobody no phone until it please me. Until me know who is on the line. We can't do anything else. But maybe that was wrong of me, but yo, I just a mistake. If me feel I verify you first, I say go whole company, nobody, no every boss, no every owner fee, nobody answer, just leave it alone. And from that they keep on telling me say, answer the call, do it again, same thing. Do it again, same thing. Tell me what you would do. Me not answer. So them know. From right there and they know say I will not answer no call. Anyways, so this job is a shift job. So you work most week, you get you get 2 weekends off in a month, right? So you know me the from my family. We get up early in the morning. I left late. Me have a 1 o'clock shift. Me come in 10, 11 o'clock at night time. You know the way there. A day off, you know the regular thing. You ask your supervisor in advance for your day off or sick day or whatever it is. If you're gonna be late, you have to call. If you're gonna be absent for the day, you have to call 2 hours before work starts. No way there. Well, you just get a schedule and say, okay, 2 days out of the week, you work from 9 to 5. 9 to 5? 9 to 5. And others 8 to 4. Some persons work from 4 o'clock to about 1 o'clock or 5 o'clock to 1 o'clock. I never get that shit this time. You can't really do it on that. What else? You always everybody get a 1:30. Everybody have to get a closing shift. You get your pay every 2 weeks. You get your benefits. Yeah, your regular benefits and dental regular. And you get your 2 points of pay. In a much, but I work and it consistent. They ever work. Throughout COVID, straight work for kill. So the duties with that job, I'm telling you duties with that job. First thing you have to, it depends on whose section you're in. I was in the warehouse, back at the warehouse, because I tell when them are employing, I tell them say yo, me start from bottom. I don't know about retail. So I will start at the bottom because she asked me where exactly I want to work. I have a clue where I want to work. I just know I want to work. I want to do no cleaning work, so I just say yo, work anywhere. So I will start at the bottom but not as a cleaner. I say alright, fine. You can get experience in every department where you want. I'm like, okay, cool, this sound good. So I start at the bottom. So the bottom this is now the work in a warehouse, one at the back. So you have a hard boot. Because if anything drop on you know, then I want to pay for that. Hard boot and stuff. So you ensure say you do a checklist. You take off things off a pallet and start them on a back. Logistic department. You take stocks, basically. That's how we do. And sometimes go on the floor, go stock out. You see people in a store a stock pan shelf. Sometimes we do that. Not every time, like once in a while when people short stuff on this. So yeah. Or when too much goods come in, and then if you pack out the stuff then that's how we reach on the front. But anyways, well, girl I work good. Girl I work good. Come here, start work. Cause everybody know me. Every employer, every employer know Natasha. Natasha get a task to do, Natasha go do it. And that's how me work. It no matter what, I go work. When I work to impress you, I work and you give me that job to do, I go work. But if I foolish, I work. But anyways, I work, just go, start and I work, I try know, you know the ins and out. Yo, the person who train me, I say, yo, come like a 2 or 3 weeks after me start, and say, yo, they're impressed with you because they just started and you've been like, you're working so good and just keep up the work and whatever. She telling me that, you know, not HR, not my supervisor or anything. She's telling me that they will never come to you and tell you. I'm like, why not? Why not if they say, yo, boost your confidence, or say, and motivate you and tell you, say, yeah, do good, make you feel good in yourself. I don't hear that from nobody. I hear that from nobody. Except for the person who trained me, and she's just a regular worker like myself. So you must know. So I work and like every end of month, they have a notice board. They have a notice board where they put up work tasks. Where you do how much picks, because you're supposed to pick, because they have a little device and you then tell you to pick some items, we put on a card for people, then we put out on the floor. Them wear it. So they have a thing on the notice board every month we say, yo, pick. You pick where you do for your month and how much you do. And so my name always in a yellow. Once in a yellow, you do good. Always. From the start, always in a yellow. Straight across the board. Always in a yellow. When I hear congrats, when I hear good, when I hear none. So I'm like, okay. And a person's will tell me. So I'm okay, I personally work there before me. Like, they start 2, 3, 4 months before me. Nobody. Alright? So I do good. So when they say overstock, you have to work on overstock upstairs and a pretty work. You have to lift up much box and something. Poor me. Sometimes I have to wonder if I really lift up certain things. I'm going to do that, but yo, so you go, when my money for make a so you come really matter. So, overstock. Yo, they ain't pretty. Because before me even left, like a month before me left, the store manager want 1 pallet for done now, 1 hour. And you might have 2 somebody on the pallet, and when you look at some big heavy stuff. So, never like that part there work at all. And the next part, I never like a fact that I have to turn up on my foot every, but just straight across. You say, you have to turn up on my foot. You get 1 hour lunch, no. You get half an hour lunch. You can take it at any time, except you can take a break on your lunch anytime, except an hour and a half before your shift end. So, if you could just come and work half an hour when you decide you want to take a lunch, it's up to you. Which I do like that. But break 15 minutes break. So you take them anytime you want to take them. So yeah, that's other part there. You know, have nobody really over you. But I didn't like about that word. You just know sure you do your work. But you have camera over you, so you just know somebody still always watching you. So fast forward to January. Fast forward to January, girl start getting sick. I have no idea why I was sick. I was always feeling sick. One vomit. I can't stand up. I feel like I want to lie down every minute. I have to drink water every minute. So I don't know what happened to me. And I'm not thinking about pregnancy because I'm so pregnant. Pregnant? No, sir. You can't pregnant. So I did get sick and you know, COVID are going with it. COVID is something there. COVID that go on and them say, yo, if you're sick, you need to go home and whatever, you need to go do a test and whatever. Because I'm not sick. So, one day I'm there my yard and I say, yo, You know, say, me need to go do a pregnancy test. Do a pregnancy test. Girl pregnant. Girl never accept for pregnant. Shock. Ever pregnant. By the ways, when I do pregnancy test, I end up make an appointment with my doctor at the same time. And then confirm it and you know a regular thing. And then I confirm it. I think I have work the same day or a day after. Confirm it and I go work. And when I supervise, I get sick. I get sick that day. I go work on a 1 o'clock shift. Right? I work at 1 o'clock shift and I come at 10. And by 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, I have to call them and say, yo, come for me. Tell when I supervise, say, yo, now go home. I need to go home and say, never too happy about that. Until I remind myself, remember say COVID, but I have COVID, but I got me yard. Anyways, I know I'm pregnant at the time, but it's not none of her business when I'm pregnant. So, I waited the other, it was a Friday, that day there was a Friday. So I left work. My day off was the same weekend too, which was so good. So the Monday morning, Monday or Wednesday, I think I Wednesday morning, the HR lady in her office. I tell her, I go in there, sit them down, tell her, say, yo, I'm pregnant and not sure how much months later or whatever, I'm pregnant and all of that. And you know, she'll say, yo, just take it easy and if you need help, you know, cause somebody don't lift nothing, but you know the whole works. The whole works. The nice things for HR people then fi tell you. That she tell me. So, you know, still sick. Left out her office and whatever, carry on. Do what I can do. Now do not excessive, but the thing about it. So one day, no, so HR tell my manager now say you're pregnant. I think I see him the idea after. My supervisor come to me and say, congratulations, you're pregnant, whatever. You know, same thing with HR tell me, you know, I be friendly, be nice and all of that. You know, girl feel good, so supervisor, you know, say, you know. But anyways, I do my work same, I do what I can do. I not push overboard. But because I always have constant dip on my foot, you have to stand up for them the long hours there. It did not take a toll. So I constantly bleed. One day, left for work good, everything alright. Never too bleed or anything. I have to left, come home, come gonna use the bathroom. I have to end up got emergency right away. Emergency room. Because I bleed excessive. So, bleed excessive, the doctor, the man say they do the regular blood test and them check up and then do all of that. The doctor say, look here, you get 1 week off because what? They need to rest. I tell him exactly where I work and I say, yo, no, I need to rest. You have to rest. So I go home, get the piece of paper from him if he can't go to work. I go home, I think at 12 o'clock in the night, I don't go home that night. So in the same time, next day, you know, I carry the sick leave got give them and everything. I'm still saying approve me sick leave for 1 week. So I go back to work now and everything alright, you know. Good girl, things everything alright. So go back to work and everything alright. Now I push myself. So I work, just work, ignore who you ignore. As me say, people them not nice, so just in a my little bubble in my head. Can't it, because I tell you the environment, I like it. But I do my work, I do what I can, I do my work. So, as I said before, say you they have on board, they put on the monthly task or whatever. I get called up in an HR office. HR called me and said, see that I am not performing as how I used to perform. Or what is happening? I'm like, I mean, what is happening? Because I see a weird response like, what is I mean, what is happening? Why is it pics being completed at a certain time, and all persons them that come that they employ after me I do better than me? I one time never fall off, you know. I one time never fall off because I'm pregnant. You know, when you're pregnant, you can't do the same thing when you used to do. You have to reduce the task work a little bit. Them know I'm pregnant, and if not, but not with them, know I'm pregnant. Right? But me just say, look here, maybe because you're doing pics, me need to put it on my pregnancy, you must know. Me say maybe because I'm doing pics that are heavier and it takes a longer time for me to live and do all of that. Me need to put it on my pregnancy. Me need to them way them. And then have me not have to talk to and all of that. What can they do to improve whatever? I'm like, yo, them people remember say me pregnant. Them remember say me pregnant. And me can't do certain things. They remember say even on the piece of paper, yo, me have to sick leave, whatever. They no matter. They have people think about them work. So, me feel better. Me feel better and me start improve my work. Cause they call me in the office and me never do bad yet. I mean like when nobody do no too bad to my name. So, me I do my work. Everything seem alright. But I forgot to tell you the part. The general manager of his store one day God tell me about 2 or 3 months back, me even forgot about it. God say something to me. I want to say, I don't remember exact words when I say, but I didn't like it. I didn't like what he said. Maybe he didn't mean that an insult to me or anything, but I didn't like it. But my response was, that's the way I am. I remember that. I remember the exact word he said to me, but I didn't like it. And I was feeling good at the time. Everybody knew me pregnant and I'm sick. So I can't perform. So I think he was saying that he need me to work harder. Or me need to put in some like energy juice in my system, cause whatever. Something. But I didn't like it. So I'm saying that's the way I am. You know what HR tell me, say? Me have an incident with the general manager. Me say, what is an incident? What incident did I have? Me not have no incident with nobody. And this I'm like 2-3 months ago where past gone. Me and him have no confrontation after. In calm, in say good morning, we move on. Just to hear this from the HR lady say, yo, incident with the I realized that him have an incident and what was said and whatever. I say, yes, I did say what I said. I did. But I know, I think that me expect me feel like I want him to say, girl, I don't lie. I tell the truth, and it doesn't matter who be. Who you be? I tell you, say, that me say. So them have that pan them in front of them too. Me now perform, and I had an incident with the general manager. So, you know, say nothing in my favor. So 2 toes left out of that and start feel better in my body, and you know, I start improve a little more, you know, I start do more local work, yeah, and everything. As I say, I don't watch nobody, I do my work. I go work, I sing, I sing in my head, I listen to song, I busy with both them. Who talk to me, I talk to them, who not talk to me, so you go. Feeling good today, you know, man. Girl, I feel good that day. I feel so good that day. That man, me going with a different energy. I drink coffee. Drink coffee is a different thing. I drink coffee, I go in the morning. And I do work in a man, I do work. And I do work. But wait, before that, you know what I do? The day before that, I asked my supervisor what me that do wrong. How they calculate it, what I was doing wrong, and all of that. And she tell me, say, Natasha, this is what you're not doing right, or whatever. So you need to just improve upon that. So you know, say, right, they say conversation with my supervisor. It was a good conversation. Me and him good. So me like, yo, because my body feel good, me can do it now, me good. As me I say, girl, go in the morning, good. 12 o'clock. Me say, why they never tell me from before me left my yard. 12 o'clock, I get phone call. I say, yo, come in. come in a HR office. Go in a HR office, feeling so good, sit down. Right, I'm like, what? I'm like, okay, what's happening? What's up? So, Natasha, we have reviewed what you said, and we have and we don't see where we can improve. Some bull SHYT on my ears. Foolish on my ears. I'm like, what? We have to let you go. I'm like, okay. Literally, that is how I sat. I'm like, okay. She let you go because it's not working out, and your productivity have fallen, or your performance have fallen, and persons that came after you have been performing more. And I'm gonna bring up pregnancy. She turned to me and said, how do you feel? And my reply was, how do I feel? Literally saw me do. I said, how do I feel? And she asked, how do you feel about it? I said, how do I feel? I'm just sitting down there. It was a shock because I never expect you right there and then. I know them eventually, because I not answer them phone call too hard. Eventually they would have said, yo, not to go. But that day they never expect you. How do I feel inside of me? I tell them, I said, Jesus Christ, yes, I don't like this place. And next one, I said, wait it. When if you tell them people how they really feel, how they really is, you know. But it was such a shocker. I'm like, I just sit there. I'm like, really? I'm like, this literally like, really? And this is not working out and all of this, and we gave you so much chance. Where chance there? Nobody na say A nor B nor C to me, but nothing. Nobody na say to me. Supervisor said not to me, nothing. So you see me when we have first when they call me in the office and say, yo, your performance not good for the time there. I improve. So I don't know what I'm talking about or what she that talk about. It's not working out and whatever, and we'll do this, and I'm like, okay. At least that's how my reaction was. Okay. I'm like, okay. Cause I'm not gonna talk to nobody. In my head, I say, it was a shock. I'm like, yo, this a fire. I saw fire feel. I saw fire feel. Cause I never get fire from a work. Either me left it or something. Kind of work out, but I saw fire feel or something. But we're laying you off. It's not a fire, and you're a good person and all of that. I'm like, really? I'm like, alright. I'm just getting married. I just spoke up my things. And then you know what, one part I do, people might escort me out of the outside building. Really? What? Other part there too. But anyways, yo. As if I feel me don't know. How first me ever get laid off on work. At first. So it was a shocking feeling for me. It was just shock. It was just a shock. Because I'm like, what? But I have no regrets. Me kind of glad. No. At first, I think I was so upset with myself for not telling them exactly how they are. Because they're not good. Not to curse them or anything. Just feel like, make sure I just tell them, say, yo, communicate better with your workers then. Treat them better. Do all of that. Or your person to know if they're doing bad or they're not performing if you don't say anything. You just leave everything and expect everybody to know, say, okay, you work a certain way, you perform good or you perform bad. So I think that was the only regret I have. But I don't regret getting laid off. At first I'm like, I used to be worried like jobs and all of that. Girl, no worry. I think it was the best decision. Trust me, I thank them every day. Now I can do with my daughter. I can rest up. Although my doctor said, look here, Natasha, no work for you. You need to rest. Girl, still I say no, resume. But I really have to push. Because if I push, I get work hard. But you know the big belly in front of me. The big 6-month belly in front of me. So I really have to push or anything. Just anyway, because I'm just bored sometimes. I say, alright, I just bored. So I just send it out. But I just tell her, say, yo, it's different. My experience, it is something else. And I realize though, these people treat men different from how they treat women. Yes, the men I get good treatment than the woman them, but me don't mind. That's how it is. Being home, it give me more time for myself. Cause since coming to Canada for almost 2 years now, maybe just start work and just on the go. Now no time for Malika, no time for my family overall or anything. No time for myself. Stress out, body pop down, my whole works. So it work out in my favor. I just realized, retail is not for Natasha. Me not do retail. Go back to stick to the evil I know. Not cleaning, not janitorial, because that's just a side hustle if anything. But back to what I know, or back to what I used to. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys ain't bored and come off from my video before time, Yeah, but let's tell you how people them stay here and how updates with me and how things are going. But that's their home. Their home, so so one income, so what thing for beg, or any family member think for beg, me not have it. I don't have it. Me not working. Catch you guys in the next video.